Yeah, so what is up, folks? I'm having a lot of trouble with this first build, and I honestly don't know where the hell I've gone wrong or if I've actually gone wrong. I'm gonna say this right now. If anyone can help me and actually gets it right, I will give you a Steam code or fucking something else. I don't know. But anyway, so basically, I've got everything connected, as you can see. Everything I believe in the right place as well. So there's a SATA, there's the obviously the case controls, the USB, the audio, the 24 pin adapter, all plugged in fine. Apart from there is a slight gap, but no, it's fine. And the 8 pin CPU adapter up there. Um, I know that my wire management's fucking all over the place, but it's whatever. I haven't put the GPU in yet because I keep getting the problem that I cannot display a single thing on the actual monitor. Now, I've tried absolutely everything. I've been in an hour and a bit call with Callum, and we've done the just reconnecting everything. We've done the RAM. I'm now using only one single bit instead of the two that I've got, and we've done it all. We've pissed about with the places. I did have a problem that I did not power the solid state drive from the PSU. That is now working, but it still has the same problem as what I had before, and I will quickly show you now what the problem is. So yeah, so I'm just gonna turn. Oh no, I haven't turned it on at the back. Right, so what Callum has told me is that, basically, well, here's what I get. I get no signal every single time. As you can see, the DVI is plugged in at the back. What Callum has said to me is that everything is posting, because there's no shortages, there's no nothing. It's not turning off unless I turn it off. But it's just the display. It's just not working. I have tried also taking the CPU cooler off and taking the CPU out and putting it back in. Nothing has worked. So if any of you guys can help me, that would be much appreciated. I will, obviously reward you in some way, shape or form through a Steam key or something. I have got a few. So yeah, if you can help me, let me know in the comments below. Right, cheers.